Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Oziva Glutathione tablets. To begin, understand that these tablets are designed to support your skin's radiance and overall detoxification process. They contain powerful antioxidants, which help combat free radicals. For optimal absorption, it's important to follow the recommended guidelines. Let's dive into the specifics of how to incorporate them into your daily routine effectively. For best results, the general recommendation is to take 2 capsules daily. Always check the product packaging for the precise dosage instructions, as formulations can vary. It's often suggested to take these tablets on an empty stomach in the morning. This can enhance absorption and minimize any potential stomach discomfort. Establishing a consistent daily routine will help you remember to take them regularly. Before adding any new supplement to your regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health profile. While taking these tablets, remember to stay well hydrated. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily supports overall health and supplement efficacy. Also, ensure you store your tablets properly in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their potency. To truly maximize the benefits of Oziva Glutathione, integrate it with a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Remember that supplements work best when supported by good habits. Patience is key. You might start noticing visible improvements in your skin and overall well-being after several weeks of consistent use. For more great products and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.